guys, we are live for another episode. How does he say it? Another episode of LearnCrypto.io. It's me with the Hitman Hellman is here.
I'm heading out though. Just doing some TA for you guys. We don't really have much. Didn't plan on going live, but we were doing some things, upgrading some images, website stuff. So.
Yep, I decided to stick around. We're going to work again tomorrow on some core stuff and we've been, you can see the screen tonight. It's got kind of back to a normal screen and just working on details. Bitcoin's holding the gains, so not much really to go over.
Let's see a pork blaster.
Let's see a pork blaster. Somebody's got to give us money though, right?
Yeah. I want every single coin is $1. Just kidding.
All right, we want a tip jar. No, we didn't add none of that. Let's go back. So we got Bitcoin 82.44, holding the gains, which is nice. That would tend to make me still pretty friendly here that we are headed higher. What's up, Steve? The usual's in here. So what else? Zen is still holding the gains. Much else is going on. We've kind of turned our head here a little bit. Let's go down here and check out Zen 3170, holding the gains as well. ZRX buck 18, starting to extend like we had said. What up, Barge Shirps? I guess that's how you pronounce that. Let's just say journey to zero. And then what we got, XLM holding up here. Got a nice little pork blaster on the 5-minute. Here's Tron, I haven't really looked at. Don't really own any of that. Stratus holding 6% gains. Quantum, not too much, 788. There's our maid, hair above 48. Did almost touch 49. And then what we got? ETC. Still holding in there, 1715. That's Bittrex. We need to change a few of these charts around probably.
I would say if you guys haven't done it yet, that you should check out that interview I just posted with Charles Hoskinson. Because not only did I get him to talk about ADA, but we kind of wanted him to talk about the crypto ecosystem as a whole, the coins he's partnered with, which is Ethereum Classic, Zen, Storm, and some others. And he also, I'm not going to ruin it for you guys, but he talked about some personal stuff over there as well, with that projects he agrees with or disagrees with, as well as developers, etc. And I was surprised at some of the stuff that he was saying and how open he was being. So I've definitely checked that out. I know Ethereum Classic's main Twitter retweeted it, and then Charles is in Vietnam, so I'm sure when he actually wakes up over there, he'll probably share it as well. So definitely one of the more interesting ones because we didn't just talk about one project.
No doubt. Cool. And so here's the Bitcoin chart on the software. So you can see volume today. Going to be a little higher than the day before's. OP, everything's still acting well, so not much really to add there. Probably too early to get Taj in here. We just want to go real quick. Nick's getting ready to walk out, so we thought we'd go live here real quick. And like I said, I'm here for the weekend. Nick and I are just going to work the next 2 days. What's up, Taj? Taj, I just put Square on the Wyckoff software. So, and then maybe it was coming up correctly a second ago. Did that just for him. Oh, something happened there. I got to fix that. Just put it in the system. I was going to show it to you. So really, like I said, not much really here to talk about. There's Bitcoin Cash, made a new high for this move off the low. As from earlier, let's go over this real quick. Somebody didn't catch me this morning. Here's the rally off the low at 57.40. I'm guessing that we're working on the pink wave 4. I showed it could end up being a triangle, or it could have ended this morning. Either way, I think new highs are coming. A move to 7,700 probably wouldn't bother me if it happened the right way. We need to see more sideways here before that would happen. But, I just think we're still headed higher, 8,800 plus probably, and then maybe an ABC pullback. So that's all. You can see the dotted blue line is the little longer term downtrend line coming off the last 2 highs. So we are trying to get rid of that. So I think that's pretty good action here if we can dig in and continue higher. So really, Nick, unless you got something else.
I don't know if you guys have any charts or any questions. I got to get out of here, and if I don't hang out with the girlfriend a little bit, I'm probably going to get in trouble with the wake on Wednesday, funeral Thursday. Did the Charles Hoskinson interview, and tomorrow I'm working on our cryptocurrency beginner course, and then also I have an interview with Ethereum Classic Cooperative. So we'll have another interview for you, and hopefully I can finish this beginner course, kind of A to Z, what crypto is, what blockchain is, how to buy it, how to store it, how to use it. Available for you guys and for your friends and family that ask you so many questions. You can become an affiliate and point them in the direction of a trustworthy source for just a couple dollars, and then also you'll probably earn a $10 on those beginner courses as well. Really, I just want to take the time to create this because we get a ton of questions, and I just want to have a kind of a running course there to help people onboard into cryptocurrencies, which really just benefits all of us in the end, as then they're going to go out buying Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, etc., and learning how to use it and just continue to grow this ecosystem.
Thanks. We get a lot of questions. I told you we're trying to get a lot more of the stock client in here, and they have a lot of questions. It takes a lot of time to answer. So there's NEO on the 1 hour. Not much to say there. I mean, it almost looks like a triangle with further downside, but I think some of these coins will still try to dig in here. XLM real quick. Let's go through a few more here. XLM USD. That's a downtrend line from way back, so you gotta like that action.
This is we're actually calling that pork blaster up here during our last live show, and we did bust out of that to the upside. Gave you a chance to trade it if you wanted, and you're still higher on that initial call.
And ZRX still looks good. I mean, holding up. That's a 1 hour, so almost another 1 hour pork blaster up there. So, and acting really good here, the last 4 hours. So that could break out pretty easily above 121 or so, 122. Altcoin rally for next 3 weeks.
Oh.
And Taj, you're on the Bitcoin. Are you looking for any down again still, or are you going to try to stay bullish here with this action? I don't know what tone and some people are saying now, but you got to be impressed. You got to be impressed so far with this whole rally, I think. I mean, sell-offs, we've got some sharp sell-offs where we recover it. We've taken out this blue downtrend line. We've had an aggressive uptrend line. So, but that's all, I guess, guys. We're going to get back to doing our work. Nick's going to head out, and I'm going to be here at my desk. Anybody needs anything, hit up my Twitter or my email. Altcoin rally to 2039. OMG, we're going to show that. That one's been quiet at $7, right at a support line that we've had. I don't know whether we need to get a break below 650 to shake everybody out or what, but I do think all these altcoins are still going to dig in here. So, and if Bitcoin goes to 8,800, we've got to see how the altcoins act, because if they don't firm up on that, then I'm going to have to think about that one. So I think a rally to 8,800, 9,200, might want to do a little bit of trading. So we shall see. So it's 5:20. We probably caught a few people off guard going live this early.
on top of that, I'll definitely make sure to watch the live show we did. The last live show we did, I guess, would be on, what was it, Tuesday, because we still have to give away that Zen on Monday when we go live. So you get an opportunity to watch that one and leave your Zen address for a chance to win. I believe the title of that is like 20 trillion Bitcoin market cap or something like that. So if you haven't already watched that video, enter the contest, and that's it.
All right, guys. Thanks for checking it out, and I guess any big action, we'll try to go live next 2 days. Otherwise, Nick and I will see you Monday. And I'm sure I'll be here Monday morning, if not earlier. So have a good one.
Are you trading or investing in the fast-moving and exciting cryptocurrency markets? If so, you need to learn how to identify primary trading opportunities by implementing the Wyckoff trading methods, which was created by world-renowned stock speculator Richard D. Wyckoff. This online course teaches all you need to know to increase your returns while minimizing your risk using the Wyckoff trading method. Over 915 students have enrolled in the course since its launch in late 2017. Let's hear what course graduate Robert Hastings had to say about the course. The content and instructors of Learn Cryptocurrency and Wyckoff course are both excellent. It's worth every Satoshi. At a minimum, it saved me thousands of dollars. LearnCrypto.io is owned and operated by Wyckoff SMI, also known as Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, which has been an authority on the Wyckoff trading method for over 85 years. Founded by Richard Wyckoff in the 1930s, Wyckoff Stock Market Institute has owned the rights of the Wyckoff trading course since the beginning. So enroll today in our cryptocurrency and Wyckoff trading course. You will receive lifetime access to our current 23 lessons as well as new ones we continue to add. Also gain access to our course group at LearnCrypto.io to talk with teachers and students as you proceed with your studies. You will also get our Cryptocurrency Pulse of the Market software at a 50% discount as an enrolled student. The only place where you can gain access to our free propriety indicators known as the Optimism-Pessimism Index, the Force Index, and the Technometer. Take advantage today of this excellent course and begin reaping the rewards of a time-tested method from the grandfather of technical analysis, Richard D. Wyckoff.